Hi, I'm Deepika Priya. I
Hi,
have
myself
completed my
Yashil
internship at
Rani. I have
Unified Mentor
completed
as a
my
data analyst intern.
internship with
During my
Unified Mentor
internship,
as a
I have
full
worked on
stack web
multiple real
development
world
intern.
projects
It
like
was a
retail sale
great learning
analytics,
experience.
HR attrition
I got to
analysis,
work on
customer
the
satisfaction
projects like
analysis using
weather
NLP, and
app, which
Uber
uses API
demand
integration, or student
forecasting
teacher booking
using
appointments,
machine learning
which
and
also uses
AWS.
Firebase and
This
Cloud
internship
Firestore.
helped me
I
lot
had
improving my
such
skills
a
in
great time working on this
SQL,
project, which
Python, Tableau, Power
makes my
BI,
knowledge
machine
or,
learning, and
my
end-to-end project
theoretical knowledge
execution.
worked into the
The
practical
mentorship,
ones.
project
It
structure,
improved my
guidance are
skills
very
in
useful
HTML,
for me
CSS,
understanding
JavaScript,
the
and
data analytics
also
in
I
the real
had to
world
learn new
scenarios.
skills like
I would
React,
definitely
Node,
recommend
and
Unified
Firebase
Mentor
as
for the
well.
students who want
I had such a great time.
hands-on
Overall, the
experience on real
mentors in
projects.
Unified
Thank you,
Mentor are
Unified
so
Mentor, for the
supportive. Any
opportunity.
doubts can be solved if I
Hi, I'm
message them or
Deepika
call them
Priya.
in any
I
time,
have completed
which
my
was a
internship
great
at
thing which
Unified
makes
Mentor
every
as a
task
data analyst
easier.
intern. During my
Thank you,
internship, I
Unified
have worked
Mentor,
on
for
multiple
giving
real
me
world
this
projects like
opportunity,
retail
and I'll
sale
recommend to
analytics,
all the
HR
students to
attrition
gain the
analysis,
work
customer satisfaction
experience and
analysis
the
using
real life
NLP and
experience through
Uber
this. Thank you.
demand